Good morning. My name is Tom McMullen. I'm president of Kentek Corporation. Kentek has been selling laser safety products since 1983. This morning here at Photonics West, I'd like to show you some tips and tricks for selecting laser eyewear. You'll notice on my table in front of me and on our display here at Photonics West a wide variety of colors, shapes, sizes, and materials. So you might ask, how do I sort through this? I need one pair to help me in my particular application. So we will help you do that. We will help you to become laser smart. I'd like to start first with a description of the technologies used for laser protection. Historically, many users of lasers found mineral glass to be a very useful family of products to use. This particular product is one of the oldest technologies. It's an absorption technology using mineral glass. This particular item works in the infrared. You might notice it's relatively clear. Different lights and colors are very visible through this from the user's perspective. Wearing glass products can be uncomfortable over very long periods of time, so the industry, and Kentek in particular, developed some lighter weight technologies in polycarbonate. So this particular pair of eyewear replicates the protection levels in the infrared of the glass and is easier to wear over longer periods of time. The third technology is reflective technology. This particular pair might look like a mirror to you, and that's exactly what it is to the infrared. The laser energy hits the surface of the product and is reflected away. One of the caveats to using reflective technologies is that everybody in your room should be also wearing laser eyewear, because now you are a reflective mirror. But it also affords the highest levels of protection. The fourth technology would be a combination of reflective and absorptive. And in fact, this particular filter has the coating on top of a mineral glass similar to the earlier product that I showed you. In this way, we can add protection levels using both absorption and reflection technologies to afford the user coverage over multiple wavelengths and varying power levels. Now, as you can see with the different products, the user may have an issue with what he can actually see, what's in his work area that needs to be visible, maybe indicator lights or other instruments, screens. There's lots of things in a laboratory that need to be seen, or some laboratories are have low light conditions. One of the things we've done more recently is we've taken the traditional green product, which protects in the infrared, and have developed a very lightweight and almost perfectly clear technology for protecting in the infrared. So now we have the benefits of the clear glass product, but also the benefits of the lighter weight polycarbonate. We have done a similar product for blocking in the 532 nanometer range, meaning in the greens. Compare this new technology to the traditional technology, which was an orange filter, and you would think immediately that certain colors would be more visible with this pinkish filter than they might be with this orange filter. That's important for many users depending on what they're trying to see. In a medical environment, for example, you might be trying to see capillaries or other red colors. And some of those features are more obvious with this filter or with this filter, depending on the application. In some environments, users have both infrared lasers and visible lasers, for example, 1064 maybe and 532. So how do you provide protection for them all in an all-in-one product? The way to accomplish that is to create a combination of the dyes. You'll notice that this one is kind of brownish, and that protects both 532 and 1064 because it combined the orange and the green together. Obviously, with the brown filter, the visible light transmission is a lot lower. This is why you might want to look toward our coated product. So back to one of the first ones I showed you, combining the technologies, we were able to get protection in the infrared and in the visible with almost perfect color recognition. Protection levels are very high, optical density of 7, for example, in most of the wavelengths, and you're able to get the protection that you need across multiple lasers. Now, obviously, in such a short segment, we can't answer all of your questions or show you all of our products. What the message I want to leave behind with you is that the experts at Kentek can help you sort through the various technologies. Absorption technologies, reflection technologies, combinations of absorption and reflection, also color selection in the lenses themselves to help you pick something that works in your particular environment. We need you to be laser safe meaning your eyes are protected from the laser beam, but we also need you to be work safe. You need to be able to work in your environment, step over hazards, see indicator lights, and we need you to be comfortable. You need to be able to have a product that you will wear all day long. So I suggest if you have more complicated questions, call one of the experts at Kentek. We have many people, many years of experience helping our customers solve problems. Shop laser smart, shop Kentek.